Hello, this is Pamela and you are on Pamela's Adoring Crochet. I'd like to say welcome to my channel. Well, today's video is WIP Caddy Wednesday. And as you noticed that my background is starting to look a little bit different. I don't have anything on the wall here yet, but this is the making of my new yarn room. So far I've got just a few little things, this shelving over here and this new desk, and my light that goes above when I do my tutorials has got to be moved over. And I have some more furniture coming in for the other side of the room. But I now have a nice desk that I can sit at and do my tutorials. And my turquoise chair is still over here and that sits by the window. But yeah, I'll keep you guys updated. I've been doing some filming of me unpacking, putting the stuff together and moving it into the room and, you know, stuff like that. And I will leave links. So far, I have bought everything off of Amazon. And so I will leave a link below for all that whenever the time comes, in case there's any pieces that you're like, ah, I like that. I gotta have that. But so far, it's coming around really well. And I'm very excited to finally get my yarn room into a clean space that I can come into and, you know, feel good about when I walk in. So, yeah. But anyway, I will keep you guys updated on that. Today is WIP Caddy Wednesday. I'm drinking just good old black coffee this morning. So grab you something to drink, grab you something to eat, sit back and relax, and let's just enjoy some good old crochet talk. So WIP Caddy Wednesday is where I show off the things that you guys are working on, and I show off what I'm working on. So I'll show you what I'm doing. Last week, you know, I put out the linked half double crochet stitch tutorial. And this week, yesterday, I put out the linked double crochet. And guess what? Next Tuesday, it's already been recorded and scheduled to go out next Tuesday. And it's the linked triple crochet. Look at that. You guys, oh, and they're the same on both sides. So you guys are going to have 3 new stitches to enjoy and do something with. So I really have enjoyed this stitch. Let's see. Oh yeah, carrots. I've been working on carrots. It is Easter time, right? So this is my little basket I've been carrying around. Here's my carrots. I have 2, I actually made 3. I sent one off as an Easter gift to someone that lives out of state. And so I've got 2 so far, and I'm on my 3rd one. And I plan on making about 4 of these. And I'm using I believe it's a 2.5 on this. Yes, it's a 2.5 millimeter crochet hook. Craftpassion.com is where I got this pattern from. And I'm not sure of this yarn. It's a big twist. I'm pretty sure of that. I can just tell by feeling of it. But the name, I'm not sure, because I didn't have another skein of this. And I'm going to have to go by Joann's, I guess, and see about finding this same orange, because it is the perfect color for carrots. It's a nice, rich color. All right, so if you're interested in it, I can give you a little tip on this, by the way. When you're making the little curly Q, it has you to like chain 20 and then go back down the chain doing 2 single crochet, so many, and then slip stitch a couple of stitches and then chain 10 and basically do the same thing and then slip stitch back down the chain and then attach that to your carrot and then do another one. No need, guys, in doing another one. It's just no need in it. When you get to this, the second one here, and you slip stitch down, just go ahead and just start over. Start chaining again. And that way they're together. I don't know. But after about my 3rd one there, I was like, wait a minute. I'm doing a little extra step here. All right. Oh, yes. Look at this. This is so cute. Let me see where I got this real quick. Oh, Rickaroomy. That's right. These are some little lambs. So I got a blue one. And as you guys know, I have 3 grandbabies. And this September, I'm about to have a 4th one. Looky there. So here are the 3 little lambs. I think they're adorable. Here's the back side. And it's funny, when I was making these, for one thing, you're supposed to work a row, chain 1, and turn, so that your bobbles will all be, you know, poked out on the same side. Well, I just kept going and used my outside use the inside as my outside. I mean, really, what's the difference? They're still just as cute. Another thing is, I think I used a 3.0 millimeter crochet hook on these. These little hat things here, what, you know, they're the little caps. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I did 5 rows of bobble. They had like 7 rows of bobbles. It just swallowed the heads. So I only did 5 on mine. So anyway, if you want to make those, they're super cute. I would not say that they're beginner friendly though. That's the only thing. These right here, I found these in my like eye/nose kit that I already have, and I just kind of pulled those out. There you go. So that's what I've been working on. And can you see my little WIP Caddy? What I have in here, I'm still working on my butterfly shawl. So here it is so far. I love this pattern, guys. I just love it. So I will be doing a tutorial on this, and it's it's an H 5.0 millimeter crochet hook. Oh, and don't forget, I did cut out 3 Easter dresses for the 18-inch dolls, and 2 for the 18-inch, a boy and a girl, and then 1 for the 14.5. Let's see, I forgot to mention, I did have my LASIK surgery, so this eye right here still has a red mark in it they said from bruising, and that within a month it should be going away. I really wish it would go away now and just be done with it. But I am reading very well, and sometimes I still have a little bit of blurriness here and there, and but I am reading very well. I can read all of my print on here, which I could not do before. Now this was a booger to do. This is that pattern, and I think it's probably done in a 4 font. I think it's probably done in a 4 font. And but I can read it, which before I would not have been able to read that. Even with contacts or glasses in, that font would have been really tough. So I went for my 1 week checkup and from the surgery, and they said that my nearsightedness there, you know, reading was 20/20 right now. So that's very good. And reading a far away, I think they said 20/30. So what I care most about is up close reading, right? Okay, guys, let's go ahead and see all the beautiful projects that you guys that have submitted some stuff in. Let's go ahead and take a look at that. Okay, here we have Audrey's, what she's working on. And they are some beautiful things, Audrey. Thank you for sharing with us. She says that it's the Pokemon and Small Dino amigurumis. Rainbow dot squares are for baby blanket. Back row is a throw for her daughter-in-law using Hobby Lobby. I love this yarn in the color blue spruce. And 2 blankets using Big Twist yarn for donations. In the front row is my pattern, the berry wrap using Caron Skinny Cakes. Wow. Thank you so much for sharing that with us, Audrey. Everything is just beautiful, and thank you for making one of my patterns, the berry wrap. It is one of my favorites. Thank you so much. Okay, here we have Patsy's, and Patsy says that she got a new 14-inch doll this week so that she can make the new Charlie May dress, and I just love her. I'm so glad you finally got one, Patsy. And that is an Adoring Doll Clothes pattern by me. My patterns, and as she says, my patterns are easy to follow, and the doll clothes are her favorite to make, and I'm so glad to hear that. And she says on the second shelf is her corner to corner using pinks and white yarn. And she says that I have a video for making the blanket if you've never tried it, and that's true. So thank you, Patsy, for letting people know that. The other pictures are Easter Bunny by Repeat Crafter Me, and the pattern is free on her blog. She says she just needs to finish sewing it together. The yarn is Red Heart Super Saver Jumbo in the color Light Blue Speckle. She says she's not used this yarn before, and she is loving it. It has a good feel, and it works up nicely. And for everyone to have a blessed week and a happy Resurrection Day. Well, the same to you too, Patsy, and thank you so much for sharing. Hey guys, you that have sent those in, I just want to say thank you very much. And if you would like for me to showcase all the beautiful things that you're working on, just send me an email. It's in the description box below, or you can go to my Facebook group page and just put your picture on there and say what's going on. We love it. That's what this video is all about. Okay, let's go ahead and read our By Still Waters. All the bright stars. They will have no fear of bad news. Their hearts are set steadfast, trusting in the Lord. That's Psalms 112:7. When we gaze up at a clear night sky, we can ponder two very singular features: the celestial lights, such as the moon and stars, or we can focus on the blackness and the daunting unknown of all that surrounds the many brilliant points of light. So much like our spiritual lives, we can concentrate on the darkness, the evil tidings that come. Or we can choose to focus on the goodness of our God, the miracle of our existence, and the wonder of his unfailing love. We can use our free will to choose to trust, knowing that the Lord has been our help and strength in the past, and he will continue to be in the future. The dark night of trouble will come in this life. Yes, from time to time there will be bad news. We can't always trust people or circumstances or even ourselves, but we can count on the Lord. We can put our faith in the many bright stars of God's great nature, the promises in his word, and his forever love. Lord, when bad news comes, remind me of your consistent help, your goodness, and your love for me. Amen. Wow, that's just beautiful. For any of you that are struggling in that area, which a lot of us are, pray that this helps you and encourages you. So, one last thing. I wanted to let you guys know, you that have been sending me emails to pray for family members or friends or, things like that. I just want you guys to know that I am praying for you guys, and I appreciate you sharing, that with me and asking me to pray for you. So I just want to let you know that I am doing that for you guys. And yeah. Okay, guys, that's really all that I have for this video. Just remember to live life and to have fun. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye. Thanks for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe.